Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Art and Architecture. I am architect MD Kamrujaman. Today I will share a drawing with you. It is a simple drawing for little family. Okay, let's go share the drawing. Drawing size this away 31 feet and this away 20 feet 6 inches, this away 18 feet. It is ground floor plan and it is first floor plan. We'll enter in this direction for lobby. It is a stair, go to for first floor. Stair size 3 feet 6 inches. In this away a common toilet. Toilet size 4 feet into 7 feet 5 inches. It is dining room door, entry for dining room. Dining room size 10 feet 7 inches into 8 feet 9 inches. It is dining table. This side 3-seat sofa set. It is bedroom door. Bedroom size 11 feet into 10 feet. It is bed furniture and it is bedroom window. And this away second bedroom. Bedroom size 11 feet into 10 feet 9 inches. It is a toilet. Toilet size 5 feet into 6 feet 6 inches. This side kitchen. Kitchen size 6 feet into 5 feet 7 inches. It is a ground floor plan. This away garden. Now I will share first floor plan. It is a first floor plan. It is a drawing room. Drawing room size 10 feet 7 inches into 8 feet 9 inches. It is bedroom. Bedroom size 11 feet into 10 feet. It is second bedroom. Bedroom size 11 feet into 10 feet 9 inches. And it is attached toilet. Toilet size 6 feet into 11 feet. Thanks for watching my video so far. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Okay, see you next tutorial.